Good morning. Lately I've been really thinking a lot about how we can create lasting habits and how you can transition from being someone that's less disciplined to being someone that's more disciplined, because I feel like I've kind of went a bit like this my whole life. I've definitely had periods where I've been super disciplined, and then other periods where I've just been kind of much more laid back for a multitude of reasons. I think I really struggle with my activity varying based on how motivated I feel, whereas what I would like to get to is, regardless of where my motivation is, I have discipline set up. That means that I do all the things that I want to do and set out to do. All those things that you know are going to make you feel better at the end of the day. I'm trying to work out and study how can I create a more disciplined life. Actually, what I found has been the most helpful for me is I've set up non-negotiables in my life, and so far this is working quite well. I've been doing it for the last couple of weeks, so I am going to keep on trying it. But instead of saying, you know, I want to go to the gym 3 times a week, or I want to eat healthy 80% of the time, I think I'm more of an all or nothing kind of person. And when I give myself shades of gray, there's more room for me to mess with the rules, and I will find a way around it if I'm not feeling motivated. So a couple of weeks ago, I was watching a video of this athlete, and I was just looking at her and like how disciplined she is. You know, she has a great body, she's super fit, and I was just like admiring her as a person. She said something in a video and she was just like, yeah, like I go to the gym every single day. And it just dawned on me like, wow, she is that fit and she looks that good because she literally shows up every single day, regardless of like how motivated she feels or what else she's got on or how busy she might be. She knows that it's a non-negotiable, and I just thought that is a way easier way of looking at it. I don't know, some people might not agree with me. Some people might be like, that is so much harder. But I feel like saying, okay, it's a non-negotiable. I go to the gym every single day. All the other stuff doesn't matter. Like how busy I am, whatever else I want to do, how great I feel, doesn't matter, because that used to be part of the decision making for like, oh, well, I won't go to the gym today, I'll go to the gym tomorrow because I'm just not feeling my best today. Maybe I'll feel better tomorrow. Now it's like, no, you go to the gym every single day. What you do at the gym, that's yours to choose. You know, if I don't have that much time or I'm not feeling that motivated, then I will let myself go to the gym and maybe just do a couple of exercises. I might just be there for 15-20 minutes, but I've created this habit in the last couple of weeks of going every day. I feel like my decision fatigue is so much less because I don't have to debate about whether I'm going to go to the gym and go through the like guilt cycle of finding an excuse for not going and then not going and feeling really terrible about myself. It's just like, I just know that I have to go. And if I don't go, I've failed a promise to myself. That is really what discipline is at the end of the day. It's keeping a promise to yourself, which I've never really thought about it like that, as you should be keeping a promise to yourself. And it's crazy that we pay personal trainers just as someone that keeps us accountable. Like most of us don't need somebody to tell us what to do at the gym. We can figure out a workout, you know, it's not that complicated. All these resources are online. We're just paying for someone else to keep a promise to, because we aren't that good at keeping promises to ourselves. And I've never really thought about it like that before. Every time that I say I'm gonna do something and I don't do it, I'm actually breaking a promise to myself. And that has a negative impact on your self-image and your self-worth as well. So yeah, trying out this new framework of discipline, and I'll keep you updated on how it goes. But yeah, I think it's really interesting to think of discipline as trying to keep a promise to yourself. I think that's a really nice way of looking at it, because I'm really good at keeping promises to other people. I am the friend that like always shows up if I say I'm gonna show up. If I'm late to something, I feel terrible. I know that I'm good at keeping promises to other people. Why would I not be good at keeping promises to myself? That sounds kind of crazy. Just some morning matcha thoughts with us.